So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given that there is a square and the area of the square is equals to the area of the circle, right? And we have to find the ratio of the diagonal of the square to the diameter of the circle. Again, very simple question, very basic. So let's suppose this is a square, right? This is a square whose side is x, and this is a circle whose radius is r, right? So what will be the area of the square? The area of the square will be x square is equals to, what will be the area of the circle? The area of the circle will be pi r square, right? So this is one equation that we get because we knew that both the areas are equal. Now we have to find the ratio of the diagonal of the square. So tell me one thing, what is the diagonal of the square? If this is x, so diagonal is x root 2, right? Because x square plus x square is equals to 2x square. So root of 2x square is x root 2. So that is why the diagonal of the square is x root 2, right? So we have to find the ratio of the diagonal of the square, which is x root 2 upon, we have to find the ratio of the diameter of the circle. So what is the diameter of the circle? The diameter of the circle is r into 2, which is 2r. So this is what we have to basically find, right? Okay, perfect. So this is the equation we have. So let's take root on both the sides. So we will get x is equals to r root pi. I hope this also makes complete sense. X is equals to r root pi, right? So what will be x upon r? X upon r will be root pi. X upon r will be root pi. So instead of x upon r, right, you can write root pi. So root pi upon, you can write this 2 as root 2 into root 2. So root pi into root 2 upon 2. What can you write 2 as? 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, right? So root 2 gets cancelled. So your answer becomes root of pi upon 2. Again, all of this is very basic solving. I hope you should be able to do it pretty quickly. So your final answer becomes root pi upon 2, right? Now what is root pi upon 2? Pi is 3.14. So 3.14 upon 2, right? So you can just solve this and I think you'll be able to get the answer. So I hope, very basic question, like as simple as it can be. I hope this should be completely fine.